That's good to know. Thank you. What else? Oh my, yes, yes, of course. Yes, I agree. Yeah. That should probably go there, I agree. Here. You're welcome. Do you have anything else to say? I'd like to hear more of your opinions. Your opinions are important to me. Yes, uh-oh, it did fall, that's true. Yes, I know that.
I guess.
Uh-oh, that one?
I guess that's it.
He had a lot to say. He likes to tell us his opinions of things. And they're very, very interesting.